on this 2016 to 2024 Honda Civic with the 1.5 turbo engine. P2135 means the PCM is seeing the two throttle position signals disagree with each other. In plain terms, TP sensor and TP sensor B are not tracking together the way the PCM expects. The vehicle may set a warning light, may limit throttle response, or may feel like it has reduced power. Broadly, this can involve the throttle body and its internal TP sensor circuits, the THL1 and THL2 wiring between the throttle body and PCM, connector issues, or, after the outside circuits check normal, a possible PCM concern. Before getting into the circuit tests, start with the basic system checks and make sure the troubleshooting setup is handled first. Then turn the vehicle to on mode. With the HDS, run the etc.s TAC test through PGM5 function test, then etc.s TAC test. This is the confirmation side of the path before moving into the wire and component checks. Next, move into the THL1 and THL2 shorted wire inspection. Before disconnecting the PCM connector, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. After that, disconnect PCM connector E, the 80P connector, and disconnect the throttle body 6P connector. With PCM connector E disconnected and IG mode OFF, perform the THL1 and THL2 wire-to-wire short inspection. A normal result is more than 1 mOmega. If that check is abnormal, the problem is in the circuit, so stay with the wiring path and do not jump ahead. After the THL1 and THL2 check, the next section is the TP sensor circuit inspection. Again, before disconnecting the PCM connector, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute. This inspection is treated with the external circuit normal. It can be done before the other inspections because it includes the listed inspection items, but if it fails, each individual inspection item still has to be continued separately to find which item failed. Disconnect PCM connector E, the 80P connector. With that connector disconnected and IG mode OFF, perform the throttle body internal circuit inspection. The normal condition is no continuity. If it is abnormal, the problem is with the throttle body. If the other inspection items have indicated normal conditions, then the remaining diagnostic direction is the PCM. At that point, the result is a problem with the PCM. The important part is to arrive there only after the circuit and throttle body inspection results support it. The clean way to handle P2135 is to prove the two throttle position signals are not being pulled together by a shorted circuit, then prove whether the throttle body internal circuit passes, and only then consider the PCM decision point. Do not guess at probe locations. Identify the correct connector terminals before measuring. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.